Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can farm ticks without fishing in Fish It game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Now there is another way to farm the ticks. You're going to go to the classic island and you're going to go to this classic school. Then you can open up the locker to get 500 ticks for free. You will have 32% chance to get it. And to open the locker, you need a locker key. You can claim your daily locker key from here from the principal. You will get 3 locker keys for free, or you can also fish here to catch the locker key. Then you can use it to open the locker. Oh, I got 500 ticks. And then you can go to this area guys. There is new machine that you can use to get free ticks. Oops, wait, I'm trapped. Alright, this is the ticks machine. You will be able to earn 100 ticks for free. You just need to watch ad right here. And yeah, you will get free ticks. Okay guys, and those are the other ways to farm ticks without fishing in Fish It game app Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!